Let me tell you a story behind these pie. It involves a pressure cooker, a very confident version of me, and a marriage that almost did not happen. Let me explain. It was the winter of 2019. My bhabhi's family was coming over for the first time. And I mean the first time. First impressions, the whole thing. My puppo was making nihari, my ammi was doing the salad and raita, and somehow, I convinced everyone that I would handle the pie. I had never made pie in my life. And not once, not even supervised. I had eaten pie approximately 400 times. And apparently, my brain decided that was enough experience. I watched one YouTube video, and I thought, yes, I've got this. How hard can it be? So I start. I'm washing the pie, I'm adding the spices, I'm feeling very professional. I even tied my dupatta like a proper chef. Very cinematic, very confident. I put everything in the pressure cooker, closed the lid, turn on the heat. And then I walked away. You know that thing people always say, don't leave the pressure cooker unattended? So I went to go get ready because the guests were coming in 2 hours and I thought, it'll be fine, it just needs to cook. 20 minutes later, my ammi is screaming my name from the kitchen. The pressure cooker had been on high, for the entire time. The valve was screaming. There was steam coming out from places steam should not come out of. The kitchen smelt like, I don't even know how to describe it. Spice and panic. I ran in. My ammi looked at me. She said, and I will never forget this. She said, Huda, what did you put in this? Not a question, a statement. I said, everything the video said. She opened the lid, carefully, very carefully, and looked inside. Then she looked at me again. Then she looked at my bhabhi who was standing in the doorway. And she said, very quietly, go call your puppo. The pie were rescued, technically. My puppo arrived like a surgeon, adjusted everything I had done wrong. The guests came, they ate, nobody died. My bhabhi's family actually said the pie were very good. I was so embarrassed that I went to my nani and I made her teach me everything. And okay, I cannot be the only one who has had a kitchen disaster at the worst possible moment. So tell me in the comments, what is the most embarrassing thing that has ever happened to you in the kitchen? Drop your story in the comments. I am reading every single one.